Section one, who are today's real estate professionals? Most people come into real estate and they believe it will change their life. Well, real estate can change your life, but it's also an industry of entrepreneurs. That means we get to set smart goals and we have to have the ability to change because change is the only constant factor in this world. We give you a few tools to help you along your journey in real estate so that you can plan for success because you came into this world with the intention that that one real estate license would absolutely mean something to you.